Hello, friends, welcome back. And today I'm gonna tell you about cute shaped throw pillows or cushions for home decor. This is a great idea for your home decor. So, small details can make a significant impact. One such delightful detail that has captured the hearts of many of the presents of cute-shaped throw pillows or cushions. These whimsical additions not only enhance the comfort of our living spaces but also infuse them with a touch of charm and personality. From adorable animal shapes to quirky designs, cute-shaped throw pillows have become an essential element of contemporary interior design. So, it's number one benefit of these pillows are their aesthetic and visual appeal. The primary allure of cute shaped throw pillows lies in their ability to captivate our visual senses. These decorative accents come in a plethora of charming designs that range from animal like cats, dogs, unicorns to food items, emojis, or even unique geometric shapes. Their playful and eye catching appearance instantly adds a lightheartedness and jovial atmosphere to any room, injecting a sense of cheerfulness and personality. Its number two benefit is its versatility and expressive potential. Cute shaped throw pillows possesses a remarkable versatility that allows them to adapt to various decorative themes and styles. Whether you have a minimalist, bohemian, or eclectic interior, these pillows effortlessly blend in and become a statement piece. They serve as a creative outlet to express one's personality and interest, offering an opportunity to showcase individuality and sense of humor. Its number three benefit is its emotional comfort and coziness. Home is a place where we seek solace and comfort, and cute shaped throw pillows contribute to creating an atmosphere of coziness and emotional well being. The softness and plushness of these pillows make them perfect for snuggling and providing a feeling of warmth and security. Additionally, their cheerful presence can invoke positive emotions. And number four point of benefit is its playfulness and whimsy. One of the remarkable aspects of cute-shaped throw pillows is their ability to infuse an element of playfulness and whimsy into our living spaces. Whether it is a smiley face, a fluffy cloud, or a penguin shaped pillow, these adorable designs have an innate ability to uplift our spirits and spark joy. So, number five. So, this is all about today's video. I hope you like it. If you like our channel, subscribe us and hit the like button.